Hey guys, Alex here with Lano Equipment. It's been a real wet start to the season here, and I know our contractors are struggling a little bit in the dirt and the turf. Today we're going to be looking at a small articulating loader that I think could be a good option, especially in less than ideal conditions, where you need a lighter machine, but something that's still going to pack a good lift. Today we're going to be looking at the L28 by Bobcat. The L28 small articulating loader is going to be used by our landscapers, our tree service companies, our light construction, and grounds maintenance crews. Its compact size is going to allow you to have easy access to backyards. The articulating feature on the machine is going to allow you to make tight corners with ease. It's going to have lightweight turf tires that are going to have minimal impact to the ground. You're going to be able to carry pallets or other landscape materials, and you're going to have the ability to switch, just like with any other Bobcat machine, between multiple attachments. It's going to have an extendable arm on the loader, which is going to make it more versatile for those areas where materials are hard to dump, or when you need to lift materials a little bit higher. Let's talk about the numbers. Machine is going to come in at 4,200 pounds, ground speed 8.3 miles per hour. It's got a 24.8 horsepower diesel engine, and it's got up to 104-inch lift height when the arm is extended. The machine's also going to have a 43-degree articulation angle when you're turning, so that when you're going around obstacles and making a tight turn, the rear wheels are actually going to follow the exact same path as your front wheels, making sure that you don't sideswipe any objects. This machine's also going to have an option for a 14-pin auxiliary harness, which is different than most Bobcat machines at a 7-pin. It's also going to be running 12.1 gallons per minute at the auxiliary hydraulics. Where this machine gets really impressive is with the lift capacity. As it sits right now, 1,500-pound lift capacity, but we can put a rear counterweight on that will bump that all the way up to 1,950 pounds. That's pretty impressive when you think about a S185 that has a capacity of 1,850 pounds. This machine's also going to come with the option of either an open ROPS cab or an enclosed cab with heat and AC. The enclosed cab making it usable, obviously, in the summer and winter months. Let's talk to our snow operators for a second. One of the jobs that snow operators loathe the most, or at least I did, are plowing sidewalks. This machine is going to be perfect for doing that job, whether with a blade or with a snow blower. And with the articulation, you can make those 90-degree turns that sidewalks have, no problem. One of the things that's most important in justifying an investment in a piece of equipment is how can you utilize it. And with the L28, you're not using a dedicated snow sidewalk machine, and so this machine isn't going to be sitting in your shop for 6 months out of the year. Having a use for this machine all year round makes it an easy decision to add it to your fleet. Here we are inside the cab unit of the L28. As mentioned before, we've got the heat and AC. We've got our deluxe instrument panel here, parking and work engagement. For operating our extendable arm, we're going to be utilizing this switch here. You can see it going up there. Here on the side, got a nice cup holder, radio built in there, our throttle control, and our power bob attach. And then down on the floor for operations and driving, we've got just 2 pedals, one forward, one reverse. If you're unsure about how much the L28 can lift at any given position, they've put a nice decal on the roof of it for you so that you can go down the list to see what position you're in and how much you can lift depending on what rear weights you have on the machine. Here's a view of the cab from the outside, what you're looking like. It's pretty spacious once you're in here. Good visibility all around, which is great, especially for when you're doing snow work at night and you need good visibility. That's a walkthrough on the L28. Come on down to one of our stores in Anoka, Loretto, or Shakopee. Hop in one of these and see if it's the right machine for you. Don't forget to subscribe and like our channels. We'll see you next time.